Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing your data and importing it into Excel so analysis is reliable. Open Get and Transform, load CSV or workbook tables, and immediately set column types to prevent misreads. Once done, remove duplicates and trim spaces to avoid hidden errors. This saves time later. Make sure to create a sample query first so changes are repeatable, and explain why. Repeatable steps ensure consistent results when new files arrive and reduce manual cleanup. Now you transform and model the clean data to reveal insights. Use Power Query to split dates, extract year or month, and unify category labels so groups behave consistently. Then load to Data Model, create relationships between tables, and build measures with DAX for accurate aggregations. This handles complexity without bloating sheets. Make sure to validate results with quick pivot table checks and conditional formatting to catch outliers. This explains why modeling prevents analytical mistakes and keeps performance smooth. Finish by analyzing, visualizing, and packaging your findings so others can act. Build pivot charts, add slicers, and annotate key trends. Once done, create a summary sheet with headline metrics and dynamic labels tied to your measures. Save a version with queries disabled for safe sharing, and document assumptions so viewers understand limitations. If something breaks, refresh queries, verify column types, and step through recent Power Query transforms to isolate the issue. This troubleshooting path restores trust in your results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.